Think you're crushing your seated cable rows? Well, here's the harsh truth. Most people who do this exercise are accidentally killing their back gains and wasting half their reps. Worse, they don't even realize that one tiny mistake is pulling strength away from every single pull. So today, I'm going to show you the real way to row. Not the gym bro version, not the rushed version, the version that actually builds a thick, defined back. Let's fix this once and for all. Let's start with the mistakes, because I guarantee you're doing at least one. Mistake number 1, rounding the back. People collapse their chest and hunch forward. This turns a back exercise into a let me fight gravity with my spine exercise. Mistake number 2, leaning too far back. If you're basically doing a half-rep row mixed with a mini bench press, yeah, you're cheating. Mistake number 3, pulling with the arms only. If your elbows are doing all the work, congratulations, you've invented the bicep cable row. Mistake number 4, shoulders shrugging up. This turns your traps into the boss when your lats should be the CEO. Now here's the scary part. Every one of these mistakes destroys lat activation, and that's why your back isn't growing the way it should. But don't worry, fixing it is easier than you think. Let me ask you something. What if I told you the perfect seated cable row doesn't start with the pull? It starts before you even touch the handle. Most people sit down and just yank, but the strongest lifters set up like they're preparing for a sniper shot. Stable, controlled, intentional. Your body is the bow. Your arms are the string. Your back is the engine that drives the pull. And when everything is aligned, that's when rows actually feel smooth. So let's break it down step by step. Step 1, foot position. Feet flat, not on your toes. Think of them like anchors. Your feet stabilize the whole movement. Step 2, grip the handle. Don't yank it off the stack. Pull it gently while keeping your chest tall. Step 3, sit tall, the most important step. Imagine a string pulling your chest forward and up. Your spine should feel long, not stiff. Your torso angle stays around 90 degrees, not leaning back. Step 4, shoulder position. Before pulling, do this. Pull your shoulder blades down and back slightly. Not a full squeeze, just enough to lock them into a stable position. Think, put your shoulders in your back pockets. This instantly activates your lats. Step 5, the pull. Now the magic. Lead the movement with your elbows, not your hands. Keep them close to your body. Pull toward your lower ribs or belly button, not your chest. This targets the middle back and lats perfectly. Step 6, the squeeze. At the end, chest up, shoulders down, elbows behind your body, back full and tight. Hold for half a second. Step 7, the return. This is where people get lazy. Slowly extend your arms, but don't collapse your chest. Keep your spine tall even on the stretch. This is how real back development happens. Let's contrast it quickly. Wrong, leaning back and jerking. Right, torso stable, movement coming from the elbows. Wrong, rounded back. Right, chest tall, lats engaged. Wrong, arms doing 90% of the work. Right, lats initiate every pull. Wrong, weight too heavy. Right, controlled weight that you can own. Here's a question. When was the last time your back actually felt in control during rows? If the answer is, maybe never, then congratulations, you're about to change that. Fix number 1. Think elbows in your back pockets. This cue alone fixes elbow flare and lat activation. Fix number 2. Imagine you're squeezing a sponge between your shoulder blades, but do not over-squeeze. You're stabilizing, not exaggerating. Fix number 3. Keep your chest proud. A flat chest equals weak pull. A proud chest equals powerful, safe pull. For lifters who want next-level back thickness, FIRE. Use a slight forward lean on the stretch without rounding. It increases lat lengthening, like stretching a rubber band for maximum tension. Use a slight forward lean on the stretch without rounding. It increases lat lengthening, like stretching a rubber band for maximum tension. Strive for a full range of motion to get the most out of each rep. All right, let's bring it home. Here's the checklist for perfect seated cable rows. Chest tall, shoulders down and back, elbows tight, pull to lower ribs, slow return, controlled tempo. Now here's your challenge. Go hit 10 flawless reps right now. No swinging, no leaning, just pure, clean, powerful movement. Notice how much more stable, stronger, and connected your back feels. This is how you actually grow. Keep practicing it. Keep building, and as always, train smart, train hard, and I'll see you in the next one.